Hello friends, Rick Bray from the Plick team at Broomtail Bosies, and you can see here I have a USB connected dock cam, and over here I have a Seesaw activity. And what we've had some people ask is there a way that I can record using my dock cam in Seesaw? And the answer is yes, and as far as we can see, it doesn't matter what type of device you're using because Seesaw is web-based. So let's take a look at how to do that. So I've created a new activity. I could certainly do this with an activity I already had created, and I'm going to use the add multimedia instruction just so that I can get to the video part. Now, why do I care about a video? Well, you'll notice up in the left-hand corner, there isn't anything there, right? Because I can just record, and if I hit any one of these record buttons around the outside perimeter of my picture, it's going to start recording. That's because I haven't plugged in my document camera yet. When I do plug in the document camera, what you'll notice is, in this case, it switches over to the doc cam feed, and there's a button in the top right-hand corner where I can click it and switch back to my webcam on my device, or switch back to the document camera, whatever fits my needs. Now, I'm guessing I can't change this while I'm recording, but who knows, maybe I'm wrong. Now, on this particular device, which does happen to be my MacBook, you'll see right now I'm using the MacBook's webcam. If I go back a step, when I click back in, it defaults over to the dock cam. So I can just click on that little button, and I'm back on my webcam. When I did it with my Chromebook, it defaulted to the Chromebook's webcam. So maybe that depends on your device. But again, you'll notice that button disappears if my webcam, it's still there. Of course it's still there. But that button won't be there if my webcam is not plugged in. Like that. All right, excellent. So there you go. That's how you can use a USB connected, or probably a HDMI connected webcam document camera in Seesaw. Hopefully you found this video helpful. As always, thank you for watching.